Okay, we're pumping content out today. This is another one of my trade recaps. This is from October 3rd on NQ, which we lost. We overtraded this day and we lost 2% of our account. So let's show you the journal. This is the trade right here. So as we can see, NQ1, October 3rd, we were bearish. Here's the chart. Stopped out twice before hitting all TPs, so that's cool. We were confident, believe it or not. We had unemployment claims and ISM services. We lost 2% of our account from an inverse fair value gap, and equilibrium. Obviously, risk was 2%. Risk to reward, 0. Actually, I didn't even know the risk to reward. It's like a 1 point something, 1.1 something. So yeah, it wasn't even great, to be fair. And what have we left as a note? Upon review, trade idea is valid. What I hadn't noticed is we broke structure to the upside on the 1 minute within the 5 minute retrace candle. Therefore, the inverse fair value gap on the 1 minute didn't count as a break of structure since we were already in a downtrend. Wait. I suspect the move to my stop loss was also caused by ES taking out 1 hour highs, 1 hour lows, and filling orders. Apart from these unfortunate things, I overtraded and it bit me in the ass immediately. Stick to your rules, Jay. So I think this is meant to say to the downside. But we're going to go back to this day, October 3rd. Oh, crazy. This is just what I did my strategy on, and I won on the video. What the fuck? Okay. Okay, that's stupid. So what we ended up taking out was these 4 hour highs. So we will go to this. Okay, yeah, we took this 4 hour high, and then we had our 1 minute retracement candle, which was right here. And I hadn't realized that we had already broken structure to the downside. This is what I was saying. So I was still waiting for a break of structure to the downside. So this was my BOS, my break of structure, this inverse fair value gap. And now I was waiting for a third confluence to be hit on the 1 minute, which, if I was really paying attention, we just respected the fuck out of this fair value gap. I would have won the trade if I noticed this, but I didn't. So we're going to play it how we did it. We had this fair value gap here. We had this BPR right here. And then we had this fair value gap that we just made. Which we ended up respecting. This is where I entered. Stops above the entire fair value gap, the 3 candle pattern. And where was my TP? Real quick. We had a TP here. Okay, this was my TP. This is for the first trade, because we took 2 trades. Stopped out. And obviously, I decided to get emotional and greedy. Ugh, yuck. And look for another entrance, which we got a break of structure, closing above that low, closing below that low, and inversing this fair value gap here. We also created this fair value gap. So I'll really just free up the chart to make it a little more clear for yous. Actually, I'm not going to mark out the inverse fair value gap. We're going to keep it clean. Touch into this fair value gap, closed out bearish. I was like, right, this is the movement, guys. Stops above these highs. TP's here. Stop that again. And then what do we see? Actually, it was a while until it happened, but... Sorry. This was TP. Bang. Smack TP. And market died off. So that's how we lost 2,000 from emotionally overtrading as a certified retard on October 3rd. Guys, shouts out V, bro. Sponsor the fuck out of me. Super quick trade recap. Super simple. I already showed how I would have done the trade in the previous video, which is my... What's it called? It's called This Is My Refined Strategy 2024. So yeah, go check that out if you want to see how I could have won over 3 bands. Love yous, and have a beautiful, blessed day. Mushy Putza out.